If you see us doing some crazy shit, it's because we're paid professionals. Don't try this at home.
So Rod, what's your favorite color? My birthday. Birthday.
So today I am prepping the Transmaro roll cage frame to get re-cleared, because before, when it was hanging on its side, it was making weird shadows and the overspray was getting real bad, and there were some dry spots and just hard spots to reach. So Grant's gonna re-clear it just how it's sitting, and we're thinking it's gonna turn out a lot better this time.
We got the F100 Raptor project back in today. Yesterday we spent some time and we cleansed the frame, so now we're ready to mount the bed. We had a mock-up bed that we were using, but unfortunately it's missing a bunch of the structure we need to mount the bed up. So we're gonna cut all the inside of the bed up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it back on the truck, and then I'm gonna build some cab or some bed mounts to the frame. Yeah, it's that. Sorry,
Hold on, bro. You trying to bend me over or what?
Set it on top.
Go. Good job, babe.
Look, guys, we already have it on there. All right, slap the bed together. Let's go.
Good luck. Well, that's not that bad.
Oh, how far are we over here? 9. How far are we over here? So we're gonna get the outside mount that we have the Raptor frame bracket, and we're gonna cut it off the frame, and we're gonna move it on the inside, and we're gonna go through this hole, which is one of the actual frame mounting holes for the old F100 bed. And then we're gonna raise it up just like, I don't know, that's kind of heavy. Or like half an inch. Let's say like right here. What's important to think about when you're cutting brackets off that you're going to reuse, especially when they've been welded on factory frames, is all I'm really doing is taking a lot of care to just cut the metal right before the weld. Just think of the weld like a piece of glue. All we're doing is we're just trying to weaken the glue or the weld, and we're going to go through here with an air hammer and just going to separate this bracket without having to cut a whole bunch of it. So we're going to go ahead and air hammer off and see if I need to cut more.
I'm Stacie with Jessie's TV, and we're here at the Horsepower Hustlers Gala. Let's see who we've got coming down the red carpet tonight. Oh, it looks like we've got Jessie and Kyle from Jessie Performance. Let's see if we can catch a word. Hey guys, what are you guys wearing tonight?
I got this new purpose-built hoodie and hat, actually, matching, yeah.
Looking good.
Thank you, thank you. I love these things. I wear them all the time. This is a new color. I love it. It's soft. Doesn't wear down real easy.
And Kyle, what do you have to say?
These things are amazing. Quality is on point. Nice and heavy. Oh, I like it, especially the strings.
Awesome, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening.
Thank you,
Good luck
thank
out
you.
there.
Yes, absolutely, thank you.
Win.
All right.
Well, that's all tonight from the Horsepower Hustlers Gala.
And going to air hammer the bracket the first time, it was kind of stiff, and the other bracket was a little easier going when I was removing it, but I didn't realize this bracket for the Raptor frame was welded on the inside, so we're going and cutting the welds on the inside and the outside. So as soon as that's done, we'll air hammer it off, and I think we'll move on to the other side. That was easy.
Way up.
Just set it down and face the cat.
JJ, it's Christmas in February.
Yay!
Here you go.
What do you mean?
You're now the proud owner of 6 new large size shirts.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna throw away all my old shirts
I would
now.
appreciate it, or maybe donate them to the 3rd graders or something.
I don't think they want these
No.
ones.
I was making that reel yesterday, and I was having a real hard time recording around your back and ass. You're standing here telling me how responsible of an adult you are.
Well, I'm responsible when it comes to things, but insurance is one of those things. How often do you hit a person?
Depends on who you are.
It's how you hit a person now.
If you're Kyle, it's like a monthly thing.
Yeah.
I should wait to tell him what's going on then.
What's this? This
y'all
is
make
No,
my
what'd
head
you do?
Oh, y'all make my ass hurt.
What'd you run into the truck into?
Nothing. What happened?
A tire.
On the truck?
No.
On the trailer?
No, on the truck. Hold on. What now?
Let's just look at the truck.
Let's go look at the truck.
Where?
Whatever, it's your story. Let's see it. Look
hit a
at
tire.
this poor truck is all beat up. Oh,
I said tire.
you hit another coat.
Yeah. No. That was a tire.
You hit a tire. What kind of tire did you hit?
A semi-tire.
A semi-tire.
Yeah. I'm thankful for this.
We had the Camaro on the back of this. I bet it hit the Camaro.
Well, did the tire hit the mirror too?
No.
Well, something hit the mirror.
And I even washed it last night. But
You
yeah.
thought that was gonna buff off?
Oh,
No, it does. It does.
Well, you should have wiped it off before I got here, and then I would have never noticed.
No, because I want to tell you that it could have been worse.
Big 35. 35, baby. Huh, you thought I was old, huh? I'm never old. I'm forever young. You better just ask around. I'm just always... No, I'm in it. You know what I mean?
I get to eat like the cheap buffet on my birthday. Kyle's birthday, and Olive Garden. This is gonna be a lot to take in.
well, this is it. I feel like we got it handled. 6, 7. All of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 all adult.
I was a bad driver.
FaceTime.
Great.
Jessie,
There you go.
My best friend off early.
Oh,
New
these
mug.
are super cool, dude.
Yes, a new mug.
I like that our initials are on there.
Don't
Well, it's
wash.
not your initials, it's actually your name.
Don't wash it.
You know what's funny is my
When the
family.
cops show up.
That we had these done for the ambassadors, so we figured we'd make it all for you guys too.
Those are like our sponsors.
That's kind of like everything, yeah, and like everything that's going on
yeah.
for the year.
Badass. I actually don't know for sure all of them.
You don't. Which ones don't you know, JJ?
What's spec? Spec's the clutches?
Clutch.
Yeah, the NASCAR clutch.
Semi like the jack.
2023, Kyle, that's the year. That's the year.
We got that one. That's our new sponsor.
Hi. Don't worry, boys, I'll toss your salad. Okay, are you guys ready for this?
Oh yeah, check this out.
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
How old are you?
19.
Alright.
Yeah, real cute, huh?
Looking rough for a
You're
19-year-old
kind
boy.
of aging like milk right now, my friend.
Asian like milk.
Some fine cheese.
I hope you got the Benjamin Button.
I'd stop seeing that doctor.
They're not loud either.
So we just got the cab where we wanted it. We want to double check that the cab was on the frame, like centered or about an inch or half an inch close. So that way when we put this on and we line it to the cab, that way we have adjustment. That way if we need to make adjustments. So pretty good. We're gonna get some brackets made and we'll be done. Right there. So don't center the bed. That's why I'm rechecking things. And now look at it. Come look at the tire. Isn't that weird? And we know that the frame's pretty symmetrical.
Well, yeah, because the leaf springs are where the leaf springs are at.
Right.
The leaf springs can't.
Problem is, look at this. Take out the dent. Now it's square. You know, cut that, and we'll section a chunk out, roll it, bring it up.
Yeah, I got you on all that.
Okay, we'll do what you're doing,
Yeah.
get it all mounted, then we'll start cutting it up.
Last time we were setting the bed down on the frame, and as soon as we started seeing how it was going to look as far as the bed to cab, we started lopping off the back of the frame so that we could set the bed down. And as soon as we lopped off the back of the frame, we made some mounts. Now the bed is actually secure in the back, and we're going to go ahead and lop off the frame mounts to the old Raptor frame for the bed, and we're going to reuse them for F100 bed. And as soon as that's all done, we're going to start working on tire fitment and the fenders. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be pulling this fender out because we're trying to make it look like the Raptor fender flare. You know, so we'll probably add about 3 inches strip all the way down to the back, and we'll pull this all the way out, and we'll actually create a curve right here with some sheet metal. And first things first, we're going to make cuts, and we're going to cut this whole thing off, and then we're going to start kind of mocking it up.
So last night we brought the chassis in, and I stayed till 5 o'clock this morning, bolting everything on that I had available. I got it really far, I think, but there's a long ways to go. So rear end's all in, front suspension's all in, steering's all in. So now I got to plumb it and wire it and put the body on it still. So yeah, got a lot of work to do. Once you get some strings on it, it'll roll. How cool is that?
So cool. I'm so excited. Oh, you put the screen in it?
Well, yeah.
Oh,
It's got
is this going to be purple?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't got that far yet.
Transmission will be yellow too, and the motor.
Oh, the motor's going to be that same
Yeah.
color?
Yeah, I'm the
I wanted all the
transmission.
drive, so like all the suspension stuff's pink, all the, well, and like the miscellaneous stuff's pink, all the drivetrain's yellow. And
I
then
think the pink pops so good against the purple.
purple.
Yes.
The purple, like, and I'm
like
glad
electric.
we didn't do it all purple, because like a lot of the detail would have gotten lost
Exactly.
if it was all purple.
Yeah.
It just looks like your car, Stacie. That's what it looks like.
No, for real. That's what, I mean, it looks like it was very purposefully built.
Purpose belt.
Yeah.